What's going on, YouTube? Your boy Drizzling Tom here, coming at you with another food review. Today we're reviewing Powerade Kiwi Pineapple. Ooh. Here's your nutrition facts. Pause that up. What up, Snowball? Snowball's talking. And yeah, let's open it up. Damn, man, I'm gonna have to put the camera down to open this. Alright, you guys, the Powerade is open. Alright, I'm gonna drink it. It's pretty good. Kiwi, pineapple. Snowball just knocked the cap down. And yeah, I'm actually gonna give it a 5 out of 5. It's really like quenching, but if you're looking for something sweet, then maybe not. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Helps your boy out. We're doing mad food reviews this winter. Peace.
Up my fucking commas. Get your baby mama, man, and make a holla at a real motherfucking G. Catch me in the street, I roll deep, yeah, one deep, yeah, I'm with just me. Maybe my dog, maybe my motherfucking sack.